Welcome back to Blazing TV, my viewers and subscribers. Today I have to address these incidents that took place in Jamaica. The incident of the 3-year-old boy, Brittany, who they say walk out in truck, and Vibes Kartel. People, listen up. Watch this video.
It's to 4 p.m. Wednesday. A man said to be of unsound mind attacked the child who was walking with his mother. The man was armed with a knife and an iron pipe. The child's mother, family members and residents tried to intervene, but they too were wounded. The deceased child has been identified as Asha Campbell. Superintendent Bobbitt Morgan Simpson is a commanding officer for the St. Mary Police.
A 3-year-old boy succumbed to the injuries that he received during the incident. He received severe injuries all over his body. And so,
people, this brings tears to my eyes. Why the police in St. Mary? The little boy name is Asha Campbell, and it happened in Paris, St. Mary. Why these police, these authorities never remove this man with all these weapons off the street? The man damaged 5 persons, including another little child, the boy's mother, and he killed that little boy in a horrific, terrible way. How can they allow a madman to be walking up and down on the street with a knife and an iron pipe, and they're saying it's not the first he attacked someone? All over Jamaica, people, you will see mad people with all kind of weapons walking up and down. Once a girl was walking and one of them licked the girl in her head with a piece of pipe, iron pipe. I blame the authority for this 3-year-old boy death. They know that boy was of unsound mind and have weapon attacking people. Imagine, not 5 persons, 5 adults couldn't manage this man. People, what's your thought on this? They should have removed this man off the street. Yes.
Worker, something definitely not right. Yes, she have in her earphone, and that's why me feel like she should have more for look what come if she knows that she have in her earphone. Yes, she have in her earphone, and she wasn't paying attention, and a bag of things. Then me go have in my earphone, and then if she didn't pay attention to the road, oh, she know which part she need to go, oh, she know which part she fit up. Then if she was so into the phone and into the earphone, then the taxi would have carry her along about which part she don't know where she go. But she tapped the car, so obviously so she have pay attention, and she come out of the vehicle, and she start to go across the road. Now when she just come out of the vehicle and she just go across the road, so, and I went to she's all when time the truck come, she just go straight in the truck. All when time she said to go lick her, she not even try flinch nor bounce. She just get licked down. The truck just lick her down, and that is it. Me not understand that at first. Me never see somebody walk out in a truck from I was born. Especially woman. When a man we jump out a cab and just make 2 bad step cross the road. Woman not doing it. Woman not jump cross the road. Woman just now walk out. I mean, don't care who want believe me, but I just so me feel I'm still in disbelief. I still feel hurt and everything because nice, pretty young girl, productive girl, have her little job, she have her youth, and she have her family to live for. If you know, so the girl just walk out in a truck, so it is really hard to accept. She just go give away her life, so it is really hard to accept something definitely not right. So all who want to see a witchcraft, but if I couldn't say what I want to say, me not go tell you what to say. I mean, I go tell you what to believe in, but me know what me see. And I watch her see the girl just come out, and she just stop right there, so, and she just go walk out, right into the truck, and up to the when the truck I go lick her down, she not even try to flinch, bounce or move, and just straight under the truck she go. Young, pretty girl just gone like that. She just, the girl have her job, the girl have her family, the girl have her youth, and she just go like that. And for witchcraft, I mean, I go say me believe, I mean not believe, but anybody, if I so be the case, send the little innocent picnic, if you go walk on the truck, so, phone no day go come, me love. Phone no day go come, me love. That's all me have to say. I mean, I go come.
People, you listen to that lady talking? People, first, I must say condolences to Whitney family. May her soul rest in peace. But people, you see Jamaica, you see some people down at Jamaica, they evil I don't know how they sleep at night time. No, it is obvious something not right there so at all, as the lady said. You can't just, no man, and just walk out in a truck so. And people want to believe what they want to believe. Some of them said, Obia, we love talk about Obia too much and all kind of things. Shut on them out. Doubtful Thomas. Yeah? People, listen to this incident with what I have experienced. My aunt, father died, leaving her some land. A lady were there tried to take care of the land with the father. Now the lady believes it. When the man dead, she should have get the land. She not get it. My aunt get it. Let me be quick. And the lady went and do such evil to my aunt. She put some stick on the step with some milky thing overnight. My aunt have a 14-year-old son, and my aunt ordered him to clean off the step because she thought it was them playing and, you know, mess up the step. And believe you me, the boy clean off the step. And by 12 o'clock, my nephew was going to school, walking with a group of friends. And the friend them say on the highway, the big highway where they carry them, they go like lightning. They walking and then just see step out in the street when one car come and top speed. And he heists him and drop him at a distance, and that is the end of my nephew. And that wicked woman who went and did turned idiot and panic because she did set it for my aunt. And it happened to the little 14-year-old boy, nice, humble little nephew may have. And he gone to the afterlife. The woman a ball down the place in a shop. Say I never, the youth did for happen to or somebody else. So that is how people know she do it. So you can't stay there when you go out of an evil place and blindfold people picnic to walk out in a vehicle because you don't grudge them for them position, then looks them whatever. And kill them. Me listen, whole heap of science man said that's the way how they get rid of witness or whatever. The girl, a lot of people is saying, is obvious. You know, right. You know, look good, you know, it's obvious. What is wrong with you people? How are so heartless and cruel? But guess what? Judgment, karma. Karma, you get away from man from earth, but you can't get away from God. God see everything and God knows everything. Watch out when you come. Yeah, when you come. You know, wicked and you know, cruel and heartless. People, what's your thought on it? People, comment. No people are saying that people believe in that Obia. Doubtful Thomas. All when you're a Christian, you ever plead the blood of Jesus Christ of Nazareth upon things. But you still have to open your eye and know it's wrong. You're going to open your eyes and know something is wrong. Something not right, that's something. Mighty God of Daniel. How can people so cruel? As I said before, may your soul rest in peace. And may if you not swallow, if you not really do something, rest in hell before judgment here. Mighty God of Daniel. Brittany gone. Young girl. Pretty girl. People, I want to address the cartel situation. What is really happening here with cartel and Sandstorm and the other guy? What really happening? Privy Council, squash this, that, the other. All from I've been watching everything, you know. A lot of spite been going on. Spite, like when little Pitney played that and this one and that. A lot of spite been going on. Spite. No land and go on your saying, spite. Because I've watched the media and news, see a lot of other guys who do worse than what Kartel. They are serial killer. They do all kind of things. The news say it, the court say it. And they get less time.
Officers of the court
And they come out of prison.
and all
But
those who seek to
Kartel
do
can come
business
out.
and report.
You people, wait, listen.
And of course,
fans of Entertainer thought that it would be broadly, and we anticipate that persons may want to converge on this location, so hence we have to take the precautionary measures to ensure that the environment is extra safe. So hence the security presence that you're seeing.
Free world boss. Long time boss today on conservation. You don't know you are really youth. You make the comment artists can never find there in 28. First Kartel pay for the glasses right here. I'm one of the boss get released. No, them few boss. I know the church name, but the church name feel like the boss right now. I tell a good youth. Me for the end there. But me not get Britney down because I was Britney. Me for the end there because I'm a waste man at the paper. And Kartel are really big man.
And said, Vibes Kartel and his accused must get back their money. Full in compensation.